To be trimming a big oak tree, water oak, and also applying a mycorrhiza treatment to it as well. It's a large tree. I'm not going to make a lot of big cuts, just mainly just getting the weight off of all the major limbs. And there's a lot of dead wood here, so I want to get rid of that as well. So basically I want to do a before and after shot. The tree's going to look a lot different when we're done, and hopefully appear a lot healthier within the next year. Back a little bit more. Alright, finally done here, at least for the portion of the tree we talked about. Got plenty of weight taken off of the roadside limbs. Everything's still arching upward. Got lots of breathing room now at the house. All the limbs that were hanging down or crowding the house, those have been taken off. Good at the laterals. Right now the crew is mycorrhizing the soil. Mycorrhiza is basically a living organism that grows onto the roots. It helps the roots to absorb water a lot better, and that's pretty important on summertime heat like this. Alright. Lots of clearance from the house. Some of those limbs were getting a little too close to that fireplace.